Question's asking us how many electrons are in the highest occupied energy level. So we're looking at the principal quantum number n is equal to the highest number. All right, so barium, it's an alkaline earth metal, is way down here in the 6th energy level. Here's n equals 1, n equals 2, n equals 3. They get staggered out a little bit, but for the s, let me do this. All right, so this is a 1s, 2s, 3s, 4s, 5s. Here, let me check my periodic table. I think it's either 5 or 6. All right, it was 6. So barium's right over here, and so it's in the 6s section. And we don't need to know anything else because barium comes before all that anything else stuff. All right, so barium is going to end with the electron configuration of, let me go back up here, do this in 6s2. And that's the highest energy level. There's going to be 2 electrons there, so the answer is going to be 2. All right, everything else before that is going to be lower energy levels. If you don't believe me, you can draw all 54 or whatever it is electrons it has, and you'll see that the highest n value is going to be 6. There's only going to be one of it, and it's going to be 6s2. All right, let's go to aluminum. Aluminum is number 13, so it is right over here. There's the sodium right here, 11, 12, 13. All right, so aluminum is in the 3p. That's where it ends, 3p1, right? Because this is the p block, right? And we know this is 2p because that's where p's start in the 2nd energy level. All right, so getting through all that is going to give you 2p6, and so we don't even need to know all that. All right, but it's in the 3p block, 3p section, and it's the first element there, so we know it ends with 3p1. All right, and it's also, this is also, the 3s is also in the 3rd energy level. It's going to go through that 3p2. So that's your highest energy level for aluminum. It has 2 electrons in the s orbital and 1 electron in the p orbital. So the total it has in the 3rd energy level is 3. Right, that's for aluminum. All right, sodium. Let's do this a different way. So sodium is, as I said earlier, this is 11. It's right over here. Look it up, right over there. So you can write the electron configuration from the start. 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s1. All right, so you can see that there's the highest energy level is 3. That's the only orbital, and it only has 1 electron, so it's going to have 1 electron in its highest energy level. So you can do it that way. It's a little longer. All right, oxygen. So number 8, so that's going to be right there. It's the 2nd most electronegative element behind fluorine. We'll learn what that is later. All right, oxygen over there. That means this whole 2nd row, which is n equals 2, is going to be the oxygen's highest energy level, right? So 2s2 is going to be filled, and then 2p, it's the 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th element there, so it's going to be 2p4. So in that 2nd highest energy level, we might as well write the whole electron configuration out. That's all it was. All right, so in the 2nd energy level, which is the highest, it has 2 electrons in the s, 4 electrons in the p. So it has 6 total in the 2nd energy level. There's your answer for oxygen.